Hi, my name is Kirsten Hall, and my future project is on the future of Pakistan's healthcare. What does Pakistan's healthcare system currently look like? 80% of the care is private. Although Pakistan has made lots of efforts to improve their public healthcare system, a majority of the people still prefer their private healthcare. I feel like this is something that can be improved and will change as they continue to improve their public health sector. Even though Pakistan has the fourth largest graduation of medical students in the world, the country lacks doctors. Pakistan has a population of 170 million people, and there are around 128,000 doctors. This works out to be around 1,400 people per doctor. To give you a comparison, the United States has 327 million people, and they have 950,000 doctors. This works out to 344 people per doctor. And just to give you another idea, currently in the US, there's around 17,000 doctors from Pakistan. Malala stated, let us remember one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Let us make our future now, and let us make our dreams tomorrow's reality. Something I've noticed through doing my research is a big part of what will benefit Pakistan's future healthcare system is education. Obviously, they're doing the right thing right now, educating doctors, but as they continue to educate the people, we'll see improvements. So what is being done now? Pakistan has worked hard to make healthcare more available to everyone through their private or public healthcare. In 2000, Pakistan became a part of the UN's Millennium Development Goals program, which set 8 goals to accomplish by 2015. Pakistan began making improvements with the UN's help, focusing on preventative care and making healthcare through more clinics available to the people. So what does Pakistan's future hold? So things that still need to be done to help Pakistan's future is most of the clinics that have been built are still just in major populated areas. A solution to help fix this problem right now would be travel vouchers and childcare options so people living in rural areas can get medical attention and preventative care without having out-of-pocket expenses. Education. Family planning, although public health care has improved, it cannot keep up with the population growth. Other areas, people in rural areas also rely heavily on spiritual healers and homeopathic methods. Even though this can be helpful in some areas, it is important that they know about other options they can pursue through modern medicine. Malnutrition is still a major problem in Pakistan with the children. Implementing a program similar to the United States WIC program, which gives family vouchers they can use to purchase milk, juice, eggs, tuna, peanut butter, and other services, could help Pakistan greatly. Another great part of the WIC program, which would also be effective in Pakistan, is they have classes that you need to take in order to get the vouchers. And again, this goes back to that education factor. Like I spoke about earlier, doctors are lacking in Pakistan. So enticing doctors who graduate to stay in Pakistan. Possible ways to help entice medical school graduates to stay in Pakistan. Pakistan would be free schooling if they stay and work for so many years, and better and more competitive wages. I feel very confident in the future of Pakistan and its healthcare system. You can already see just in the last couple decades the improvements that they've made, and with this trajectory they only will get better and better. Thank you.